Hello there. This September on the Cubase YouTube channel, we've got plenty of new videos to help you be as creative as possible with the tools that you have at your disposal. The Cubase guru, Greg Ando, is here with plenty of how-to videos. This month, he's going to show us how to work with a range editing tool inside of Cubase. He's going to show you how to get the most out of the chord pads. He's also going to show us how to do step inputs in Cubase and how to edit and quantize complex tuplets in Cubase. Hey, I don't even know what a tuplet is, so if you're like me, don't worry, there's plenty of basic videos to show you how to get started and start creating music. Are you into metal guitar? Or you want to record metal guitar from home? Well, this month there's a whole series dedicated to getting your tone right, your microphone techniques right, reamping, and how to edit metal guitar inside a DAW. Jump on over to the Cubase YouTube channel and subscribe to receive notifications when we post new videos. And these videos are always dedicated to help you be as creative as possible no matter where you are. I'll catch you there.